In the previous video, we discussed about the grounds on which a member of a political party can be disqualified. We discussed that the speaker or the chairman has the power to decide the disqualification of a member while acting as a tribunal. Now, in this video, let us discuss whether there is any time limit on which speaker has to decide the matter. Indian Constitution Schedule 10 is silent on that. It only provides that the order of a speaker is subject to judicial review under Article 32 and 226, but nowhere a time limit is provided, resulting in many a time there is a misuse of this power by the speaker. Many a times a member who should have been disqualified continues to be a member of the political party, may be chosen as a ministerial candidate. Now let us discuss what is floor test. We have discussed that in United Kingdom, defection is known as floor crossing. In India also we have something known as floor test. Floor test is when the governor of a state asks the party who claims to have formed majority to prove the majority in the house. If they prove so, they form the government. If not, the other party is given the chance, which has happened in 2017 when the elections has taken place in Goa. Manohar Parrikar, representing the BJP government, was asked by the governor to prove his majority in the house. Only after proving his majority, he formed the government in Goa. In May 2018, in Karnataka elections, B.S. Yedurappa claimed that he has majority. There were 224 seats in that Karnataka elections. That means to have the majority, a party should have gained at least 112 seats. BJP had only 105 seats. They were lacking 7 seats. Yet, they were claiming to have formed the government. On the other hand, JDS, Congress and independent members claim to have given support to each other to form a government with 117 members. A floor test was conducted. Mr. Yedurappa, representing BJP government, failed to prove his majority, resulting in no BJP government was formed in Karnataka state. That means, in case of any doubt whether a party have majority or not, a floor test is to be conducted by the governor, meaning only when the party proves his majority, they form the government. Now let us move ahead and discuss what happens in case of a merger between two political parties. Whenever merger happens between two political parties, its members are not disqualified on the grounds of defection. A merger can only take place when at least 2/3 member supports it. Earlier it was 1/3 member, but later on by 91st Amendment this number was changed to 2/3. Now if at least 2/3 member supports the merger, then only merger can take place. Now, if merger has taken place, a member of a political party has two options. He can join that new party which has formed after the merger, or he can leave that party and form a separate group. In both these cases, he would not be disqualified. There are certain exceptions as well to the anti-defection law. This exception is provided to Speaker, Deputy Speaker of the Parliament, Chairman, Deputy Chairman of Council of State, Chairman, Deputy Chairman of Legislative Council or Legislative Assembly. That means they can resign from their political party when they join any of these posts. The reason is to maintain the high importance of the post, to maintain the impartiality of the post. But when any member resigns from his political party to join any of these posts, after the completion of its term, he has to join back the political party from which he resigned. If he joins or forms a new political party, he would be disqualified on the grounds of defection. Now, to summarize, let us see what all has been discussed by us till now. We discussed what do we mean by defection. That is, when one member of a political party joins any other political party for some benefits. We discussed how anti-defection law was adopted in the Indian legal system by 52nd Amendment, which came into force on 1st March 1985. We also discussed the grounds of disqualification of a member of a political party, or an independent member, or a nominated member. That is, when he voluntarily gives up his membership or votes or abstain from voting as per the directions issued by the political party. We also discussed that in case of a merger, a member of a political party has the right, without being disqualified, either to join the new political party or to form his separate group. Later on, we discussed exception which is given to Speaker or the Chairman when they join these posts. They would not be disqualified on the ground of defection. We also discussed the constitutional validity of Schedule 10, wherein paragraph 7 was held to be void in the case of Kyoto Holohan. To give certain reforms, it would not be wrong to say that the term voluntarily giving up membership is too vague. It needs to be defined. Also, some time limit should be set for the Speaker to decide the matter of disqualification of a member of a political party. Recommendation of the Law Commission should also be taken into consideration, which is President or the Governor should have the power to pass the order with the advice of Election Commission. Lastly, the political party should issue the whip of a direction only in case of emergent situation. I hope this video is clear and helpful to understand what is anti-defection law in India. Thank you.